again, and we're gonna do an experiment that I have been wanting to do for a while. It's called making a rubber bouncy egg. How about that? Okay, so these are the requirements that you need for the science experiment. You need some vinegar. You need some eggs. You need glasses or jars, and you need food coloring, which you don't have to have food coloring, but I think it makes it fun. So, first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna carefully place our eggs in the glasses because we don't want them to crack. And so I've carefully done that. Okay, now when I pour the vinegar, my handy dandy cameraman, Mr. Hawkins, he's gonna close up to us, and I want you to notice what's happening as I pour the vinegar on the eggs. What is happening to the eggs? Do you see that? There's already some bubbles forming on the eggs. That's because this is a chemical reaction. The eggshell is made out of calcium carbonate, and the vinegar is having a chemical reaction with that, and it is producing carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is what we breathe out. Whenever we breathe in, we breathe oxygen in, and when we breathe out, I just let out some carbon dioxide. And that's what's happening here. So eventually what's gonna happen after 2 or 3 days is that this chemical reaction is going to make the entire shell of the egg go away, and it's going to be left with just the egg, and it's gonna make it bouncy. We're gonna be able to bounce it. So I thought to add a little bit more fun, we would add some food coloring to it. So I'm gonna do, and I think this one might need a little bit more vinegar. I've got yellow and blue, okay? And I'm gonna try this gel food coloring. I don't know how that's gonna work, but I'm gonna give it a stir because I thought it would be cool if we had our primary colors, red, yellow, and blue, to do our experiment with. Oh, gross. That looks kind of like a Halloween experiment right there, y'all. I don't know about that, but we'll try it. Kind of looks like some guts in the bottom of the jar. Okay, so now Mr. Hawkins, he's gonna be able to zoom in really closely on these eggs. There's the red one and the blue one. Can you see that good? And the yellow one. And you can see that the bubbles are already starting to form, creating that chemical reaction. So I want you to tell me your hypothesis. What do you think is gonna happen, and how long do you think it's gonna happen? Put your comments in the comments here. Put your ideas in the comments of the video, and we're gonna visit back every day, and I'll let you know how it's going. Have a good day.